Hello everyone, welcome back with another new video, vatlappam, which is a special Eid sweet that happens on every Eid or Bakrid in every Muslim family, especially in Tamil Muslims family. This is a very easy recipe yet very delicious with very less ingredients that is always available at home. For this sweet, we will be needing 5 eggs as a base ingredient. So for 5 eggs, we will be needing 25 cashews and 25 almonds. We need to soak it in water overnight so that we can remove the skin of the almonds the next morning. So the same way I will repeat for all the almonds and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we shall also boil 500 ml of milk along with 2 teaspoons of milk powder. Make sure you are dissolving the milk powder with the hot milk before you add it into the 500 ml of milk. So let it come to a boil and become really thick. Let it cool down completely. Into the blender, adding the nuts that we kept aside. We should make it into a puree consistency without adding even a single drop of water. So once that comes into this consistency, let me break down 1 egg into this and blend it into a fine paste. Now again I am breaking in 2 eggs at a time and blend it into a fine paste. Now at last I am breaking in the last 2 eggs. So totally I am using 5 eggs for this. And along with this 5 eggs, I need to add sugar as a sweetening agent. So I have taken 200 grams of sugar as a total. Now I am adding a part of it and blending it into a fine paste. At last we can add the entire sugar into this. I have totally taken 200 grams of sugar. It was really sweet enough. If you want to add more sweet, you can add. That's your choice. I am also adding a few drops of elaichi essence, few drops of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Blend it into a fine paste and keep it aside. Do check out the detailed ingredients in the description box. So this has to be the consistency of the egg mixture. The final step is to mix this egg mixture along with the milk that we made. The milk has to be really thick, then only the consistency of the vatlappam will be really creamy and nice. That's why I added milk powder into this. If you have condensed milk with you, you can even replace the milk powder with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And you can also reduce the amount of sugar that you add if you are adding condensed milk. So the mixture is ready. Let me grease a heat-proof glass bowl with the ghee and add the vatlappam mixture up to 3/4 level of the vessel. Close it well so that there is no water seepage into the vatlappam. Heat the rice cooker, place a stand over it, add some water and then place the dish that we covered and let it steam for 40 to 45 minutes. This process is a very slow process. Let me also show you another process of cooking in pressure cooker. So this is done. This has come out really well. Now let me show you in the pressure cooker. In the pressure cooker, the same way I am keeping some vessel or a flat stand inside, adding some water, adding a vessel along with the vatlappam mixture. Close and cook for 3 whistles and that will be done. But honestly speaking, this came out well, but the slow cooker method was really good and it was really soft. This is also cooked well. Let me show you how I removed the slow cooker method vatlappam and how soft it was. Loosen the edges with a sharp knife and transfer it to a plate upside down. Now let me cut and show you how soft and jiggly it was, and it was so creamy and it was much better than the pressure cooker method. The pressure cooker method vatlappam had some pores in it, so I like this a lot. If you do not have much time to cook in the slow process, you can use a pressure cooker method. That was also nice, but if you have a lot of time, do try this. And after doing this, allow it to get refrigerated overnight and eat it in the next morning and it will be really nice. See how soft and jiggly it is. Garnish it with some chopped nuts and have a great Eid ahead. I hope everyone will try this for your Eid, and do tell me how did this turn out to be in the comment section. Also suggest me for more recipes in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Follow me on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook and Pinterest. Links in description box. Thank you.